Most product descriptions on Shopify stores do one of two things. Either they say almost nothing, just a sentence or two that doesn't actually help anyone decide to buy, or they list a bunch of specs and features in a way that sounds like a product manual. And guess what? Neither one sells anything. Your product description is doing a job. It's supposed to take someone who's already looking at your product and move them from maybe to yes. If it's not doing that, you're leaving money on the table every single day. The good news is that AI makes this faster than it's ever been. Shopify actually has a free built-in AI tool, and when you know how to use it correctly, you can go from blank page to a solid product description in under 2 minutes. Then you make a few targeted edits, and you've got something that actually converts. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsker. Here on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter Shopify stores and grow your e-commerce business. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to use Shopify Magic to write product descriptions, how to edit the output so it actually sounds good, and a formula you can use to make sure every description is doing its job. Let's get into it. Why most product descriptions fail. So before we get into the AI tools, let's talk about why most descriptions don't work. Because if you understand the problem, you'll know what to fix in the output that the AI gives you. Now, the first mistake is leading with features instead of benefits. So a feature is what a product is or has. A benefit is what it does for the customer. Made from 100% merino wool is a feature. Stays warm even when wet, so you're comfortable when it's drizzling or pouring is a benefit. Customers buy benefits. They need features as supporting evidence, not as the headline. The second mistake is being generic. High quality, perfect for any occasion, great for the whole family. That says nothing. Every product on every store says the same thing. These phrases are filler. They take up space without adding any information that helps someone decide to buy. The third mistake is ignoring objections. Every customer who reads your product page has questions in their head. Is this the right size for me? Will it hold up? What if it doesn't work? A strong product description anticipates those questions and answers them before the customer has to go looking for the answer somewhere else. What a good product description actually does. A product description that converts does 4 things. It creates desire by painting a picture of what life looks like with this product. It builds trust by showing proof that the product delivers on its promise. It answers the most common objections so customers feel confident. And it ends with a clear push towards the purchase. You don't need to write a novel to do all 4 of those things. 3 to 5 strong sentences can cover all of it if they're the right sentences. The goal isn't length. The goal is clarity and persuasion. Using Shopify Magic to write your first draft. Now, here's where things get interesting. Shopify has a free built-in AI writing tool called Shopify Magic, and it's available on every plan at no extra cost. No apps, no extra subscription. It's already in your store. Now, if you don't have a Shopify store yet, now's the time to get one. You can go ahead and use the link in the description below. You'll get a 3-day free trial. Then it's just $1 a month for your first 3 months. That saves you over $100 on getting started. We've got the link for you down in the description. Now, here's how to use Shopify Magic. Go to your Shopify admin, click products, and open the product that you want to write a description for. In the description field, you'll see a small icon that looks like 3 little stars. That's the generate text button. Click it. A panel will open and ask you a few things. It wants to know the keywords or features that you want to highlight, and it lets you choose a tone of voice. Your options include options like expert, playful, and sophisticated. Pick the tone that matches how your store feels. If you're selling technical gear, expert might fit. If you're selling gifts or lifestyle products, playful could work better. Type in a few of the most important things about the product. Keep it simple. If you're selling a portable phone charger, you might type 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Charges 2 devices at once, compact enough to fit in a pocket, LED battery indicator. Then click generate. Shopify Magic will write a description for you in seconds. You can generate multiple versions if the first one doesn't feel right. Once you find one you like, click keep and it drops it right into the description field. That's your starting point. Now we make it better. So inside your Shopify admin, let's go ahead and do that now. We'll come over here to products. We'll click add product. We'll type in portable phone charger. So come in here, we'll click on generate text and we'll go ahead and paste that in. 10,000 milliamp hour battery, charges 2 devices at once, and we'll go ahead and click here. And here's what it came up with. Keep your devices powered on the go with this compact portable charger. Featuring a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, it delivers enough capacity to fully charge most smartphones or provide multiple chargers for smaller devices. Charge 2 devices simultaneously with dual ports, making it perfect for keeping both your phone and tablet powered during travel, work, or outdoor footwear ventures. The pocket-sized design fits easily into bags, purses, or jacket pockets without adding bulk. An LED battery indicator shows remaining charge at a glance, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge. Essential for anyone who needs reliable power anywhere. See how that does a great combination of combining both features and mostly benefits? That's what sells, not just listing out a technical spec sheet. The 3 things to always change in the AI output. So AI output is a first draft, not a finished product. There are 3 things that you should almost always fix before you publish. First, cut the vague opener. AI loves to start with something like introducing the ultimate solution for, or experience the difference with. These lines mean nothing and they don't hook anyone. Delete the first sentence or 2 if it sounds like that and see if the description reads better without them. It almost always does. Start with something specific. Start with what the product does or who it's for. Second, add 1 concrete proof point. AI often writes in general terms. Customers love this product is easy to write, but worthless without evidence. Replace that kind of line with something real. Pull a phrase from an actual review. Mention a specific material, a specific test, or a specific result. Even something like built to last through 500 plus wash cycles is more powerful than exceptional durability. Third, make sure the last line is an action cue. The AI often ends with a summary. This charger is perfect for anyone on the go. That's fine, but passive. A stronger ending nudges the customer towards the next step. Try something like add it to your cart and never worry about a dead battery again. Short, direct, done. The ChatGPT method for more control. Now, if you want more control over what you're working with, ChatGPT is a great free tool for drafting product descriptions with a specific structure. Here's a prompt that you can copy and paste. Write a product description for a Shopify store. The product is, insert product name. Key features, list out your features. The target customer is, describe your customer. And the tone should be conversational, professional, playful. That'll be determined by you. And focus on benefits over features. Address the main objection, that your biggest objection, and end with a soft call to action. Keep it under 150 words. That prompt gives ChatGPT enough to work with so that the output is actually useful. The more specific you are, the better the result. Then take the draft and run it through the same 3 edits we just covered. The formula: problem, solution, proof, call to action. So whether you're editing AI output or writing from scratch, this 4-part formula keeps every description on track. Start with the problem. What frustration or need does this product solve? 1 sentence is enough. Constantly running out of battery at the worst possible moment is a real problem when you travel. Then the solution. What does the product do about that problem? Keep it specific. The X-Charge 10K gives you up to 3 full phone charges in a charger small enough to slide into your front pocket. Then proof. Why should they believe you? A spec, a stat, customer validation. Tested to charge 500 plus cycles without dropping capacity. Trusted by over 12,000 customers. Then the call to action. A gentle push. Grab yours and stay charged wherever the day takes you. 4 parts. 4 to 6 sentences. That's a description that does its job. Bad versus better. A real example. So let me show you what the difference looks like. Here's a bad product description for a resistance band set. High quality resistance bands for your workout. Perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. These durable bands are great for any fitness goal. Available in 5 resistance levels. That description has 4 sentences and says almost nothing useful. It doesn't tell me what I can actually do with these bands, who they're really for, why they're better than the 10 other options that I've been looking at, or what I should do next. Now, here's the same product with the formula applied. Working out at home sounds simple until you realize you're missing the resistance training that actually builds strength. These 5 band sets replace a full gym rack, giving you adjustable resistance from 10 to 150 pounds for pull-ups, squats, rows, and everything in between. Made from natural latex that doesn't snap or stretch out after a few months of use. Add them to your cart and start training with actual resistance today. Same product, completely different result. The second version creates a picture, addresses a real need, answers the durability objection, and ends with direction. That's what you're aiming for every time. Putting it together, here's the simple workflow. Go to your product in Shopify, open Shopify Magic and plug in your key features. Pick your tone and generate a draft. Then cut the vague opener, add a real proof point, and sharpen the final line. Run it through the problem, solution, proof, CTA check, and publish. Do this for every product in your store, one at a time, and you'll have a catalog of descriptions that actually do their job instead of just filling space. Strong product descriptions don't require you to be a copywriter. They just require you to be honest, specific, and focused on what matters to the customer. AI gets you 80% of the way there. The edits get you the rest. Now again, if you want to get started with Shopify, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. But other than that, I'm Eric from Shopify Mastery. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you here in the next video.